Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix strict NAT type in GTA Online with some simple and effective steps. If your NAT type is strict, it can cause connection issues and limit online gameplay. First, restart your router and PC to refresh your network connection. Next, log into your router settings by entering your gateway IP in a browser. Then enable UNPP because it automatically opens required ports. If that doesn't work, manually port forward GTA Online ports by adding them in your router settings. After that, make sure your firewall is not blocking the game, so allow GTA 5 through Windows Firewall. Now, try using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Also, avoid using VPN because it can cause NAT problems. Finally, restart your router again and launch GTA Online, and your NAT type should change to open or moderate. Subscribe the channel for more videos.